But right here we do see the swimming pool located in the center, and right behind or right next door to the swimming pool is the condominium. Welcome. Right here we have a 1,240 square foot condominium for sale, for ownership. We also have a 2-car garage, as you can see, just from looking at the condominium. It's pretty cool to access inside, very spacious, and let's go ahead and take a look inside. Alright, this is the walkway. We got a little entranceway, sort of a breezeway to the entrance to the front door of the condominium. We do see the big outside window right here to let the light in. That will be the office space as we will take a look. So the first thing we see when we step in is the office, which had that window. The office is connected to the 2-car garage. Very spacious. If you have more than one vehicle, husband and spouse, perfect space for both vehicles. Also great storage space here. Very peaceful area, so there's no freeway traffic around this area. If you want, if noise bothers you while you work, this is a perfect area as it's very peaceful. You can just do your work on the computer, do what you have to do. And if you have children, they can study in here and get concentrated and get good grades. Okay, this is the stairway to the upstairs. We'll cover that later. From the entry point, we see the office, and then we see this linen closet. You can store your cleaning supplies, your coats, etc. We have the half restroom right here, very accessible, very easy to navigate this home. Here is the kitchen, very sizable for a condominium. A lot of space, as you can see, with the wingspan. I can kind of stretch out in here, so more than one person can fit in here if you have a little party going on or if you have some guests. Great material. I would renovate, in my personal opinion, probably the cabinets if you expect to see the value of this condo spike up in price. Probably a little renovation here if you wanna flip this condo. We do have this beautiful pantry here in this kitchen, so plenty of space for your food and whatever else you need to store in the kitchen. And then we also have the dining area here, very well lit. We do have the giant sliding doors. I like this open area. This first floor is very nice, very easy to navigate. Doesn't feel cluttered up in this area, and I love the living room space, perfect for a little party here. I love that about this area. One key feature is we'll go upstairs to see the balcony, but for below we see the patio here, and it is covered. And like I said, if I just pause for a second, wow! Really peaceful and a good view of the surrounding area, but also a little bit of nature. So it's really nice. I would like to point out that there's a ceiling fan. So in Eugene, Oregon, during the summer, it does get hot, and that will really come in handy. Welcome to the upstairs. I do like the window. You can see right here with the hanging chandelier. Just lets that light in so it doesn't feel like a cave. I like that about a staircase. This is the laundry room right here down the hallway. Very spacious. You do have your space for your linens, plenty of space for a washer and dryer right next to the restroom. Very convenient. The restroom can be renovated a little bit. I do like this countertop. It's a very nice color for the area. And then we do have a full-size shower here. Take a step to the right and you will see 2 bedrooms. Let's go in this one first. Has a beautiful walk-in closet here. Plenty of space, so you can store a lot of your clothes, whatever you need to be stored in there. You can even fit a bicycle if you in there. And then we have a sliding door in this bedroom, and it does connect to this patio, or the balcony, excuse me, and it connects both bedrooms here. But I love this. This is my favorite part of the home. This can be renovated to your liking and to your standard, but as far as the view and just being outside, this is one of my favorite and probably the key feature of this home is this balcony here. But let's continue on to the next room. And right next door we do have the room, very quiet, Same thing here, we got that sliding door opening to the balcony. Do have a ceiling fan here, so that really comes in handy in the summertime. I love that in a room. And then we also have the mirror double sliding doors here for the walk-in closet. Not walk-in closet, excuse me, just the closet. But I like the mirrors here, it makes the room look twice as big. So. Alright, such a peaceful area. I don't want to talk too loud and disturb the peace. But right here we do see the swimming pool located in the center. And right behind or right next door to the swimming pool is the condominium. So you don't really have to have a long trek or you don't have to drive to get over to the swimming pool. But very big size swimming pool. Right next to the front office also, so you have all the amenities you need. And it's just a very peaceful and quiet area, and it's a great investment. This unit itself then is right next to the pool and the front office. Some more details on this condominium. It is a 1.5 bathroom and 2-bedroom condo. The inside is able to be renovated as the condo was built in 1971. The outside, it comes with a contract and they maintain it with the contract, so they will take care of the outside for you. The inside you can renovate to your standards. This condominium is perfect for if you want a long-term investment, as the value will go up. This area, the condos, are very well sought after and are very peaceful and one of the best areas of town. This area of town is right next to, actually it's in the heart of Eugene, in the center of town. You have the mall next door, you have convenience stores. You can also access downtown Eugene pretty quickly, so if you want to go have a fun night out or if you want to go to a fancy restaurant, everything is close by.